guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, most of today's news. So Rio Ferdinand come outside and talk about Leandro Trossard. Say Baba don't meet everybody expectation since we injured us. In fact, not just meet, it surpassed the expectations of many, because say initially we won't sign this guy. Nobody saying that this guy be the first choice where Arsenal we won't go for. Arsenal we won't go for Mudryk. Now Mudryk Chelsea can't collect the guy. Arsenal can't go say they won't sign Rafinha of Barcelona. That one no can work. It was our plan C. We can't go. We say okay. Nobody like say we can't get the situation with the apple for Brighton. We can't go collect the guy. Some people were murmuring. I remember that time say for Twitter it was trending. He's 28. It was trending. You get say the guy that old man say Arsenal supposed to look for a young player like Mudryk, like 21 or thereabouts. But at the end of the day, who is having a better season between Mudryk and Leandro Trossard? Because you can't compare the pedigree of Trossard for the fact that he has played in the EPL. You understand the EPL. Very soon now we will play Liverpool. Do you know that Trossard, when he was playing for Brighton, he scored a hat-trick at Anfield? He played again this same season. He scored a hat-trick against Liverpool. So what does that tell you? He knows how to play in the EPL compared to Mudryk. We see they acclimatize, we see they adapt, we see they blend like a blender. So all this English, that was the qualify Mudryk. So that is why Rio Ferdinand talk say nobody expected it and all saw this guy coming. Like say the guy go don't make 5 assists and score 1 goal in how many games he don't play for Arsenal. Nobody saw that coming. So I just be very, very happy. Say we don't get when they talk about squad depth. When you look at our bench like this for the place, you go they happy. Say yes. Imagine a Gabriel Jesus self. What will they argue now whether Gabriel Jesus go enter the first 11 or not? Because the fluidity, the flexibility of having a Martinelli and Trossard interchange that number 9 and the flank to get is something that is very sweet to watch. You get, and at the same time, Gabriel Jesus they do with Martinelli. I believe see that they interchange. Sometimes Martinelli will drift in. Sometimes inside will drift that wide. So all these things are why I'm very happy. So away from that, so yesterday I come to the London Football Awards. So Odegaard won the Player of the Year. Now this season they judge them ahead of people like Harry Kane. Now because Arteta self win the Manager of the Year. So me say they very happy. Even Arteta self come outside when he dedicates the award to his staff, the fans, the players, like everybody that made it possible for him to win this award this season. So he just very, very happy. Bukayo Saka won the Young Player of the Year. All these are players when they play for London. Young Player of the Year for London, ahead of the likes of Saliba, Martinelli, and some many players. He win that one. Ramsey can win the Goalkeeper of the Year. It shows Arsenal players just sweep all the whole London awards ahead of the likes of Harry Kane, who is having a great season. Don't forget, say this season Harry Kane break Perry Cruz, was highest goal scorer of the Tottenham Hotspur. So as it like this now, Harry Kane is the all-time leading goal scorer of Spurs. That one's a great feat to get. So by the end of the day, Arsenal just go there and collect the award. I was still on the award setting, so they when they interview Edu Gaspar, when they ask him some kind of things about Arsenal, how Arsenal got to where they are. So, but back when they explain, say when they started this project, when they first hired Arteta, I remember say now Conte people they cry say make Arsenal go higher. Conte was available. Manchester United be one higher Conte, but let's say we're gonna social as of then. You get, so they never sack him. I think it was Social that was the coach. They never sack him. So Conte say me they sack the guy, may enjoy Man U, but Man U they dull themselves. Spurs can sack Blessing Pochettino, they come and give Conte the job. So Arsenal fans were crying, Arsenal faithfuls, everybody they complain, say Arsenal don't lose a seasoned manager. Manager will give them time to say now before you go know that Spurs go overtake. Arsenal, like all those cries were happening. Arsenal hire Arteta, he gets constant to revive players. Now there the mantra of trust the process began. Where we say people know when they trust and they laugh. Them according to you, say people were laughing on something. We're saying trust the process. Just trust the process. We are heading somewhere. People were laughing at us. Look at us today. Everybody's praising us and they're singing our praises. Look at how we sweep this award. Like it is the improvement for us and something that is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. You can't deny it. Check out the teams how they play. check out the atmosphere of the Emirates. See how alive it has come now. So if you did for Emirates, going to get goosebumps. Like these days, if I start they get this kind of mad confidence in nothing they happen. I not just know, unlike before, you get so all those kind of things. Oh man, not very very easy. I just be very happy. Like you guys by the talk. Trust the process. You get the process. Now just 11 games remain. We will know how far. You get so we just watch. At the same time, they're going to ask Edu Gaspar whether now this season Arsenal will win the title like 20 years and later after they don't win the last one. So Baba talk say, funny enough, say them for the internally, they don't really discuss anything like say we are winning the title with like because they don't say if they discuss other kinds of things, they bring undue pressure on the players. So what they do is they just talk about the training sessions. Just let's take it game by game. That's why any player of Arsenal when you interview will tell you we are taking it game by game. That's what we are doing now. So at the end of the season, we see where it takes us. That's have been our mantra. At the end of the season, we'll see where we'll end. I'm going to take it game by game so that any undue pressure, because we know what happened last season, how we capitulated like a pack of cards because the pressure was too much and we didn't have enough squad depth because we no buy players for January. So all those errors, that's why you learn from your mistakes. All those errors now we correct for this season. And you see, say the people who bring in Jorginho, brought in Trossard, they have played a great role in bringing us where we are now. Imagine say we no sign Trossard, imagine say we no sign Jorginho. Now how many points we for don't lose. So that's what it is. There are many people still they talk about that Ben White ball we go block Leno. We them that our first goal. Who score against Fulham with Ben White block Leno. I talk about yesterday, so people they talk say yes. So it's actually remember the one with Douglas Luiz with the scores for Aston Villa and play corner the whole our keeper. Remember the one for Brentford. It's quite true that all those things happen to us. But say Arsenal can't do them doesn't justify it and make it right. It gets that's the point. What is bad regardless of who do them. Imagine saying a Fulham 9 do Ramsdale this way White do Leno and they can't score. Would you be happy? If you will not be happy, that settles the case. Which means what is bad is bad. You get it's simple. But if to say them do it for a keeper and you they happy, and me I will just keep quiet. But if you will not be happy, say them do them to us, then don't do it to somebody else. It is not good. Assuming say VAR catch him, say VAR check him, well lie they go reverse him. It's obvious. It's called infringement, and if you don't know, in football the referees always protect the goalkeeper. You get it is just the way the law is. If they check the footage, man, replay it now. What's it concern you and the keeper? What's it the whole? What's it the stop from coming? I don't understand. We don't lose one goal. They don't cancel one of our goal before because of Ben White was infringing a keeper. What do the keeper? You hold the keeper hand, but the keeper no free punch the ball away. They always protect the keeper. Why they complain this one? Make it not be say against Liverpool now. We go one go score one goal now. Ben White to go keeper. They go cancel now. Or we have 11 matches to go. Make it not go be saying that because of Ben White they go cancel another goal. People will dey here. I just pray make it not happen. That's why I'm clearing the air now. Our Falari Balogun don come outside they defend League One because they talk saying they shocked. Say people they talk say League One they very very easy. And we see come bring this talk. They say the guy don't score 16 goals for League One, and people like me now they come outside say League One and shit packer. You get there be shit packer league. You get even what they call Giroud from AC Milan. Now they call and say me can join AC Milan. You get say because they need strikers. If you check AC Milan now, they are planning to retire Giroud. Ibrahimovic they plan to retire and Divock Origi where they collect from Liverpool. They are planning to retire him also. So they will look for the future. People go play with all those kind of Rafaelio and the likes. Just the reason for Larry Balogun. Now League One, Serie A, well, they're not different, so they're in the same caliber. You don't go compare those two with the EPL. That's why people like Oga Mani will say if Balogun come that kind of EPL, you know if you even score 5 goals, EPL will be your mates. Yeah, so EPL is a different category of fish. So I understand what Balogun they come as they defend the League One. Talk say hard though because he doesn't score 16 goals and like 4 or 5 goals were penalties. So well, at the end of the day, I wish him all the best of luck. May continue to develop. They call the interview Gabriel Jesus now, so Baba Kone saying they very happy to be back. You get so in no few waste time to come back on the play for Arsenal because he don't be out since November, almost 4 months. We never play competitive football, and he came back and he had a nice time, playing like 15 minutes or thereabouts. Even people like Paul Merson will be Arsenal legend. Come outside and talk say this Gabriel Jesus now we don't come back is going to bring problems to Arsenal, to Arteta. Number one problem is say the guy go one play, he no go one stay for the bench. So what Arteta go do? You get so are you going to bring him based on him be Gabriel Jesus, or you're going to keep him on the bench based on say the fluidity and the flexibility of Gabriel Martinelli and the Trossard interchanging in that number 9 position is making the team tick and making us unlock tough defenses. So are you going to continue with that false 9 role, or are you going to bring a proper number 9 and throw him in, even though the number 9 is not really match fit, or match ready, as you may say, because he's not that, they're informed. You get, so maybe we'll put on small. I never really know. So this is the dilemma Arteta has to deal with. So not just the watch as everything go, because at this point Trossard is in the form of his life. So putting him on the bench, I don't know as that one go be. So at the same time, but Leandro Trossard come outside talk saying they're very happy with his relationship with Arsenal fans. Saying no get any bad blood against them. That's why say them choose Ramsdale over him. He can go join Fulham. Saying they're very happy. So even after the match, when they play with Arsenal, where Arsenal wins, so some Arsenal fans came to him and they like, so we miss you, all those kinds of things. He still gets some loyalists even within our own community itself. I remember when we do that argument of Ramsdale versus Leno, where people they complain say Leno they don't have the kind of defense that Ramsdale has. He gets all those kinds of Saliba, so they protect them, say Leno don't get them. But people forget that that's not really the main reason. We're talking about deliveries, some kind of masterclass saves. Well, it don't happen, say it don't happen. I wish him all the best of luck. So away from that, even Antonio Conte self come and say they talk about how the season will end. So back on the talk say this season he's seen Arsenal finish in the first, he's seen Man City finish in the second, then he's seen Manchester United finish in third. Then the fourth will be between Spurs, Newcastle, and Liverpool. So there will going to be a battle for the top 4. But in this season, we are going to be having 4 battles. The battle of the winner between Arsenal and Man City. Then the top 4 battle between, we don't talk about Liverpool, Spurs, and Newcastle. Then the battle of the Europa League against Chelsea. I believe in the Europa League, they're going to fight for their intent, or they're going to fight for UEFA Europa Conference League. They were talking about the relegation battle also. So Chelsea will fight all those kind of Brighton, all those kind of Brentford for who will end up for European League spaces. Again. So we'll just see how these individual battles they happen. Then away from that, so the FIFA referee chief, what they call Pierluigi Collina, don't come as I talk say from next season. Say the FIFA won't crack down on EPL time wasters, because there is statistics we can show say for the EPL this is in the average amount of time with football, whether they play football as in the actual football without stopping. We're talking about stopping, we're talking about not natural time wasting. We're talking about those with the fake injuries to fall on the ground to eat up like 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're talking about those where they use substitution to the kill time. You get, so all those differences. We're talking about keeper with the waste time. So with all these things calculated, say the average time when they play ball for the EPL is just 55 minutes out of the actual 90 minutes we're supposed to play the ball. So Babakari talk say normally whoever they use the hooblets to display the additional time, so they're supposed to they add extra time, like sufficient extra time. Not just adding 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Like the World Cup we just passed now, you go see sometimes they go add like 15 minutes, add like 12 minutes, add like 10 minutes. Get so for the EPL next season, they're going to calculate all those extra time. Like maybe the referee going to stopwatch, they calculate all those extra time at the end of the day. So by the time when the hooblets don't come, you're going to see like 20 minutes extra time, you're going to see like 18 minutes extra time. What they're trying to do now is to use the additional time to remove time wasting, because they can't bring another statistic which should say since the invention or the arrival of the VAR, the VAR don't cut off simulation, it don't kill simulation. Nowadays you go not say you know if you dive again to win penalty, because the VAR is going to interrogate whatever you did. So you know if all those kinds of Sergio Ramos who what they call Salah when break whether I show that when bring that a final, you get all those kind of things cannot be escaped. No, if you escape and again with the VAR, because if you do it, the VAR is going to look at it and give you a red card. So many things where VAR don't curb all those kind of simulation. At least if simulation was 100% in the past, it is now like maybe 20% again. So now what they don't use this time wasting on. Next season they're going to be introducing sufficient added time, because so by the time when you say if you don't waste time finish at the end of the day, the referee go bring like maybe 20 minutes, you go cover time wasting, you don't go waste time again. You go say, oh no, there's no point again. So that's what I'm trying to do next season. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click and see that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Game out.